Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this new quality video edit on CapCut PC. So first of all, you are going to go to adjustments and you're going to go to basic, put the saturation of 4%, the contrast at 17. Then you are going to put the exposure, which is the illumination, at 4. You're going to then sharpen it to 100. Then you're going to put the highlight at 3. Go to the HSL section and put the luminance at -17, which is brightness. And then you're going to put the saturation on 3. Then you are going to add this overlay. So I'm just going to go and put it on full screen, and you can screenshot this and crop it. You're just going to then adjust it, so like make it like a little bit bigger. Go to blend mode and then select color burn and set the opacity at around 25%. And that's it. Really, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!